Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If Binance isn't working for you because it's blocked, restricted, or simply won't load, don't worry because in this video I'll show you how to access Binance using a VPN in just a few simple steps. So a VPN changes your virtual location by routing your internet connection through a server in another country, which can help you access websites and apps that may not be available on your current network. So first of all, you gotta head over to App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for VPN over here. So once you have searched that, you gotta download and install a trusted VPN service on your device. Make sure the VPN is official. And once you have installed that, you can simply navigate to that specific VPN. And once you open that, you gotta first select your location. So you'll be able to see their numerous locations over here. So you're going to choose the location where Binance services are accessible. So you're going to simply tap on that specific location and then click on this connect button and wait until the VPN confirms that the connection is active. So you'll be able to see connected written over here. That means that the VPN connection has been established. Once done, you're going to simply head over to the Binance application and launch the app or open the Binance website in your browser, let's say. If everything is set up correctly, Binance should load normally through the VPN connection, and then you can log into your account and continue using the platform as usual. If Binance still isn't opening, then you can try connecting to a different server within your VPN. So you can also clear your browser cache, restart the Binance app, or disconnect and reconnect the VPN before trying again. Make sure you're using the latest version of both the VPN application and the Binance app for the best results.